Okay, children, wait. So, sir adjusted, but my face, you see? Enough. Thank you. Okay. Will you close the door, Reshma miss? Reshma miss? 1 minute. Okay, children. Shall we start?
Yes, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Shall we start?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. See, last class means today itself morning. We studied. Today I will finish the topic of locating all these numbers on the number line. Tomorrow onwards we'll start with the questions numbers. Hello? Hello? Who is this? Who is this? Okay. Today I will finish that locating of that drawing, and tomorrow onwards we will start with the sums doing the questions. Okay. See, so any doubt in doing that root 2 and root 3 on the number line? Any doubt? I'll show it again. Shall I show it again? Shall I show it again? Hello? Yes. Children, shall I show it again?
Yes, ma'am.
Huh?
Yes.
You want it? You want a recap?
Yes, ma'am.
You want a recap?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I'll do it again. See? Okay. See, for root 2, when root 3 and root 2 are attached. Okay. If the question is to locate root 3, you should draw first root 2. Okay. Understood? Come on, answer me. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, okay. So root 2 and root 3 are attached together. If root 3 asked, you should draw first root 2. Okay. I'll draw it again. See? I don't mind to explain it again and again because it is very important. This topic is very important and this drawing will come for the exam. So we increase the interval size. Quickly I take a recap. Again we are taking the protractor. Protractor, listen carefully. Protractor. And keep the protractor at 1. Okay. Then draw it at 90 degree. 90 degree. Again we'll take the compass and let me change the color. Okay. And we'll take this measurement. See, now you can clearly visible, even if it is 2.1 centimeter, 2.1 centimeter, it is, we consider it as 1 unit and mark a small marking over there. Again, we will take the compass. We'll take the compass and the same measurement, we keep the compass here, 2.1 centimeter itself, but it is 1 unit. See, it is 2.1 centimeter. Can you see it? It is 2.1 centimeter. We consider it as 1 unit. This is our unit, 1 unit. Okay. So, when after drawing this, we have to take again draw a right angle triangle there. Right angle triangle. Okay. This right angle triangle. Now take compass again. Listen, listen children, listen, listen. Take our compass again. Take the compass again and compass again and take the measurement of this hypotenuse. Take the measurement of the hypotenuse. Hello? Are you listening? Are you listening? Now you can draw it. Okay. This is negative √2. This is negative √2 and this is positive √2. Positive √2. Listen. Okay. This much you know. This is √2. Again, we are locating √3. In this, we will take our compass again, sorry, protractor again. I'll give a different color. Okay. I'll take our compass again and keep at √2. Keep at √2. See where I am keeping. See, it is at √2. √2. See, not here anywhere. It is at √2 because we need that position. Okay. Now, again 90 degree. 90 degree. Close it. See that orange line we have drawn now at 90 degree, at √2. See, this position. This position. We have drawn √2's position. √2's position. I'll show you. See this. This is √2. Up to this. See this position is √2. Correct. At √2, that orange line has come. Now, again, you have to take the compass. Take the compass. Take the compass. And this one I'll show you. This one. See. You have to take this measurement. Are you listening? This measurement. That measurement. Same measurement there also. Same measurement. Because even if, see, as numbers increasing, if √2, √3, √5, √6, base will increase. Base will increase. But altitude is always same. Altitude is always same. Altitude will be 1 unit itself. Okay, altitude is 1 unit itself. Same measurement. Same measurement. Same measurement. This measurement and this measurement is same. This is 1 unit. Here also 1 unit, 1 unit, etc. Okay. See, here it is 1 unit, here also 1 unit, like this. Okay. Did you understand? Now, did you understand it? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. So, okay, then take your notes and write with, who is this HIMT College 8? Who is that? Okay. Now take your paper and draw along with me. Hello. Take your paper and draw along with me. Fast. Fast. Hello. Are you hearing? Am I audible? No
Yes, ma'am.
response?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Then take your paper and draw. Fast. Fast. Do along with me so that you can understand it. If you have any doubt, you look at here and draw.
Ma'am, can you repeat it?
Hello? Hello? Did you tell anything? Somebody told me something? Hello? Do it again. Do along with me. So this thing is very important. Very important. You have to draw it. It's a very important question. Yes?
Ma'am, can you repeat that first, ma'am? Draw.
Listen, Makle, you look at here. I am drawing. See, I am drawing it. See this? See this? The same steps I am repeating for so long. Okay. This is negative root 2 and negative root 2 and positive root 2. Root 2. This point. And at here you have to take the protractor compass again. See, I am repeating for so long. See, at root 2, at root 2, at root 2, you have to draw 90 degree again. See, and again take your compass and take the measurement. Take 1 unit measurement. Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Respond in between. Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. How will I understand you are knowing it? Hello, you have to take this measurement. This is very important thing. Take this measurement and the same measurement. Take this measurement, 1 unit. Move the compass to this position. Same radius you have to mark again. It's very important. See, 1 unit. Same measurement, 1 unit, 1 unit. If it is so long, root 5, root 6, root 7, whatever be the numbers, the altitude is same as 1 unit. If it is root 3, if it is for root 5, if it is for root 6, root 7, etc., all the rational numbers, the altitude is always 1 unit. That means first when you draw root 2, you took the measurement in the altitude. The same measurement should be there everywhere. Okay. Okay. After this, you should take the right triangle, means draw the right triangle there, this position. I'll change the color. I'll change the color so that you can understand well. Okay, right triangle. See, This blue one, light blue color, this light blue color is our root 3. Listen, the light blue color which we have taken is, that hypotenuse is root 3, and take your compass again, take your compass again and take this measurement of hypotenuse. Take the measurement of the hypotenuse. Now can you see the board? See, Roshan, Jain, Fisan, look at the board. Fisan, look at the board. Roshan, look at the board. Okay, can you see the board now? Take the measurement of hypotenuse in the compass. Take the measurement of hypotenuse in the compass and now start drawing. You can see it now. See how I am drawing. Keep the vertex, tip of the compass, sharpened end of the compass at sharpened end at pointed end at 0, and pencil tip at hypotenuse. Take the radius of the hypotenuse and draw. And draw it. Okay. See. This is, now this is, see, now this one is root 3. The blue, the light blue color, that circle is root 3's measurement. Okay, it is root 3 and negative root 3. I hope you understood this. Okay, I explained a lot of things. Last 1 week we are explaining about this. Last 2-3 classes we took all this. Okay, if you have any doubt, you ask me. Now I will move to the next rational number. So this is your assignment. Write your assignment. Write your assignment. Locate. This is your assignment. You can see the board. Locate root 2 and root 3 on the number line. On the number line, and use, if possible, use different color. You can draw with a pencil, but on the top you draw with a different color, so that when I see the assignment I can understand properly. Okay, and it will be good if you are using different colors. Okay, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you hear me, children? Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So what is your assignment? What is your assignment? Yes, somebody tell.
Locate the
Locate.
Root
Locate.
square and 2 square on a number line.
Root 2 and root 3 on the number line. And, okay. And use different colors so that I can understand. Okay. Okay, children. Shall I move to the next topic?
Yes, ma'am.
You understand this? Now, if you want to locate some other numbers, root 5, the length will be increasing like this. Length will be increasing. Okay. But this altitude will be same everywhere like this. Altitude will be same like this. Okay. We have taken altitude as 1 unit. This 1 unit will be there always. So you are drawing a line there, take 1 unit and draw the line. Again you are drawing a perpendicular line, take 1 unit and draw the arc. Like this it will go. Understood? So most important thing, Fisan, altitude. What will be the measurement of the altitude? What will be the measurement of the altitude?
1 unit.
1 unit. For every drawing, it will be 1 unit. Okay. Now, next one. Next topic you write. Next topic. Locate. Can you see the board? Locate root 5 on the number line. Locate root 5 on the number line. Because in between there is a number root 4. In between there is a number root 4. Root 4, but you know the answer is 2. Plus or minus 2. Correct? Lena? Okay. Nihal? Nihal? Okay. So root 4, you know it is plus or minus 2. So we no need of locating root 4 because it is not an irrational number, it is a rational number. So next one is root 5. Okay. So for locating root 5, you should draw again the right angle triangle and the Pythagoras theorem, and our base is 2 units, and altitude, you know, it is always 1 unit. Altitude is always 1 unit. Okay. Base is 2 units and altitude is 1 unit. Now what will be our hypotenuse? What will be our hypotenuse? Can anybody tell? What will be the hypotenuse? Okay. Can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
You can see board, right? Okay. Can you see the board?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. See. Now it is base square plus altitude square equal to hypotenuse square, and the base square is 2 square plus 1 square equal to hypotenuse square. 2 square is 4 plus 1 equal to hypotenuse square. Then can you tell what is hypotenuse? Can you tell what is hypotenuse? If hypotenuse square is 5, 4 plus 1 is 5.
Right.
Okay. 4 plus 1 equal to hypotenuse square. So 5 equal to hypotenuse square. Then what will be hypotenuse? Can anybody tell what will be hypotenuse? Hypotenuse square is root 5. Sorry, hypotenuse square is, can anybody tell? Hypotenuse square is, if hypotenuse square is 5, what will be hypotenuse? What will be hypotenuse? Can you tell? Can you tell the answer? Nobody is telling?
5.
Okay, root 5. Hypotenuse is root 5. So this is root 5. We have to take the hypotenuse as root 5. Okay. Okay. So this time, will you write? Did you write it? Did you write it?
Yes, ma'am.
Hello, can you see the board?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So did you write? Did you note down this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So we are drawing with root 5. Again, the same procedure. Our first procedure is, first one is step 1 is coordinate system. Okay, coordinate system. And listen carefully, don't draw, you listen and listen carefully the steps we are following. We are taking the protractor and keep the protractor at 2 because our base is 2 units. Okay. So, okay. For locating root 5, our base is 2 units. For locating root 2, our base is 2 units. Okay? 2 units. And you know, you have to take 1 unit there. See, I'll show you. See, we have to take the compass again and take the measurement. Take the measurement of here. It is 1 unit. It is 1 unit. It is 1 unit. And this, can you see the board? This 1 unit, this 1 unit, the same 1 unit. See this? 1 unit, 1 unit, 1 unit. X, y-axis 0 to 1, that gap. Y-axis 0 to 1 gap. You should keep here and draw. Okay? Okay, children?
Okay, ma'am.
Oh. The same gap, 1 unit. And you know it is 1 unit. It is 1 unit.
We can draw.
Okay. Now listen, listen. Now listen, listen. Now take your shapes and draw the right angle triangle. This is our right angle triangle in which base is 2 units and altitude is 1 unit. And you know, and our hypotenuse is root 5. Okay. Now you take your compass again. We have to take the compass again. Take the compass again. I'll take with any other color. Okay. And see the measurement. See the measurement. See, it is this. Can you see the board now, children? Can you see the board
Yes,
now?
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
See the measurement in the compass. Base is 2, altitude is 1, same 1. Altitude is always constant, 1 unit. Okay. Now see the position of the compass. Can you see the position of the compass? Respond. Children, respond.
Yes.
ma'am.
Position of compass. Okay. Now, this hypotenuse we are drawing with. With this hypotenuse we are drawing. Okay. I'll draw again. See. This hypotenuse. Now our circle becoming bigger and bigger. Our circle radius is increasing and we are getting a large circle. We are getting a large circle. Okay. Okay. Children, can you see now? Yes. Okay. See? Now, see this. Okay. Can you see now? Hmm? Children, can you see it? Navani?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, this is root 5 and the position where we stopped, is okay, this position is negative root 5 and this position is positive root 5. Okay, did you understand?
Ma'am.
So those who want to draw it, you draw it now. Now, root 5 and root 6 are connected. Root 5 and root 6 are connected. Next. Okay. If you finish it, I can. Shall I? Did you? Are you drawing now? Are you drawing now?
Yes, ma'am.
Finished it? Shall I erase the things from the board?
Ma'am.
Shall I erase the things?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Draw it. Fast. Okay. Okay. Take care that you are taking one unit always at the altitude. That is the most important thing. And root 5 and root 6 are connected. Listen, if I want to locate root 6 on the number line, again I am not drawing it. I'll write here. See, if I'm locating, if I am locating, sorry, I'll take on some other color. Okay, locating root 6. If I am locating root 6, I'll show you how to locate. The same root 5 and root 6 are connected together. Root 5 and root 6 are connected together. Okay. So like root 2 and root 3 is connected. Like that, root 5 and root 6 are connected. Hello? Am I audible? Am I audible, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So when the question is to locate root 3, you should draw root 2 first. So root 2 and root 3 together. Like that, if the question is to locate root 6, you have to draw root 5. After that only you should locate root 6. Okay. So that also I will show you. So all these are connected. All these are connected. See, now we are locating root 6. Okay. Take the compass, keep at root 5, keep at root 5, at root 5 and draw 90 degree. No. Draw 90 degree at root 5 like this. You know earlier steps, you know it. Okay. Take the compass again. Take the compass. Take the measurement like previously what we did. Take the measurement. Take the measurement of this 1 unit and move the compass here. Okay. Hello. Can you hear
Yes,
me?
ma'am.
Okay. Answer me.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, see this. See the position. This 1 unit. Here you have to mark. Okay. Hello. 1 unit. Now, draw the right triangle. Draw the right triangle. Again. Right triangle again. Hello. Right triangle again, and this is root 6. This one, but we have drawn one green color is, one green color is root 6.
Ma'am,
Okay.
how to draw that root 5? Ma'am,
Yes.
how to
Yes.
draw that root 5?
See, this newly joined line, newly joined hypotenuse is root 6. Then, again, take the compass.
Ma'am,
Yes. Am
Root
I
5
audible,
com-
children?
root 5 compass, how to draw?
Hello?
Root 5 that.
Hello?
arc. Ma'am,
See
how to
this?
draw that?
See, look at carefully. See? Look at carefully. See? This one. See? This new hypotenuse is root 6. This new hypotenuse is root 6. Can you see the compass position now? Can you see the compass position? Like root 2 and root 3, how we joined, no? Same thing. Root 5 and root 6 are connected. Root 5 and root 6 are connected. Now, again, I am joining this. Okay. 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 Can you see it?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you see the green line? That is our root 6. This point. This point is root 6. And this is negative root 6. This point. This point is positive root 6 and this point is negative root 6. And before that you can see there one small point is there. This point we already done. This is root 5, negative root 5, and this point is positive root 5. So positive root 5. So root 5 and root 6 are connected together. Like root 2 and root 3 are connected. Same way, root 5 and root 6 are connected. Did you understand? Did you understand, children? Hello? 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 Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, only one person is telling.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ah.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
Now,
ma'am.
you try to do it. Same thing, root 5 and root 6. Only one thing you have to remember that point should be 1 always. Altitude should be 1 always. Okay. Okay, children. Wait for 1 minute. Let me take the attendance. Let me take the attendance. Okay, dear children, did you understand? Did you understand today's class? Yes. So, Shankar,
Yes, ma'am.
Rachel, Kisan, Eva, Isha, Vishnu, Rohanraj, Nabil, Roland, Aaron.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
You try to do it. You are drawing it. See, Kisan is drawing. Show your table. Show your table, everyone. Navaneem. Show your table. Okay. Okay. Okay, children. Aaron, Ashik. Ashik Joshi is in 9C, right? Okay, next class, mine is in 9C, so they entered earlier. Okay, shall I leave now?
Okay,
Shall
ma'am.
I leave now? Okay, will you try to do it?
Yes,
Next
ma'am.
class,
Yes,
we
ma'am.
will do it with the questions, sums. Okay, problems. Shall I leave now?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.